Today I'm on the Mardi Gras, about to ride the first roller coaster at sea. We are up on deck 18, heading over to the entrance of Bolt, the first roller coaster at sea, aka Ultimate Sea Coaster. A ride on Bolt will run you $15 per person, and we're about to find out how fun this is. Well, that was Bolt. I have to admit, it was a lot of fun, and it felt a lot faster than it looks when I was standing below the track and watching everybody else go on it. I do wish it was a little bit less expensive. I would probably go on it multiple times if that were the case. Question mark if I will spend another $30 on it next time we go. We'll have to see. We'll have to see if the stars align. If you love roller coasters like I do, I definitely recommend that you try it at least once.